Samsung has officially set the tech world on fire with the latest leaks surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and trust me, this phone is going to redefine your expectations. While the buzz around the One UI 7.0 beta continues to excite users with its innovative features, the S25 Ultra is stealing the spotlight with a combination of stunning design, groundbreaking performance, and some of the most intriguing color options we've ever seen. Let's dive into what makes this flagship device one of the most anticipated releases of 2025. The first thing catching everyone's eye, the titanium white-silver color option. Imagine holding a phone that exudes luxury from every angle, a crisp white back paired with a silvery metallic frame that screams elegance. This isn't just a cosmetic choice, it's a statement. And with Ice Universe confirming this as a 100% accurate leak, you can bet this color is already making waves. But Samsung doesn't stop there. Alongside titanium white-silver, there's a lineup of colors like titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium gray. Want something even more exclusive? Samsung's online store might drop vibrant shades like titanium pink and gold. Whether you prefer timeless sophistication or bold individuality, there's a color for everyone. But design isn't the only story here. The Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with a titanium frame, upgrading from aluminum to create a device that's not only stunning but also stronger and more durable. Coupled with Corning Gorilla Armor glass on both sides, this phone is built to last, and with its IP68 rating, it'll withstand water and dust like a pro. It's a perfect marriage of beauty and resilience, making a phone that looks good and lasts long. Now let's talk about the display. A massive 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X screen with Quad HD Plus resolution and an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or just scrolling, the visuals are sharp, vibrant, and buttery smooth. It's a display designed to immerse you in every frame, setting a new standard for flagship devices. Under the hood, Samsung isn't holding back. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on a 3-in process, powers the S25 Ultra. This beast of a processor includes a Qualcomm Oryon CPU, an Adreno GPU, and a Hexagon MPU for AI tasks, ensuring lightning-fast performance and efficiency. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, this phone is a powerhouse for multitasking, gaming, and everything in between. Camera enthusiasts, get ready to be amazed. The S25 Ultra's quad camera setup is nothing short of revolutionary. At its core is a 200MP main sensor with adaptive pixel technology capable of capturing stunning details even in low light. Complementing it is a 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP periscope telephoto offering 5x optical zoom. From breathtaking landscapes to intricate close-ups, this camera system has it all. And for video lovers, the phone supports 8K at 30 fps and 4K at 120 fps, ensuring cinematic quality in every shot. Battery life won't be an issue with its 5,000 mAh capacity backed by 45 wired charging and wireless options. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7.0, the S25 Ultra is future-ready, with Samsung promising 7 years of software and security updates. Add Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and ultra-fast 5G support, and you've got a phone that's as connected as it is powerful. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to launch on January 22, 2025, with a starting price of $1,299. While it's a premium priced, it reflects the sheer innovation packed into this device. And for those debating whether to upgrade, the S25 Ultra offers significant enhancements over its predecessor. For comparison, the Galaxy S24 Ultra was a solid flagship with its titanium frame and excellent performance, but the S25 Ultra's improved chipset, upgraded cameras, and sleek new design push it into a league of its own. And features like the titanium white-silver color and the extended software support make it even more appealing. Beyond just the phone, Samsung's 2025 plans are setting the stage for a tech revolution. With the Galaxy XR headset powered by AI-driven Android XR, Samsung is venturing into augmented reality with a device lighter and smarter than its competitors. Add ambitious sales goals and new accessories like magnetic cases and next-gen chargers, and it's clear that Samsung is aiming to dominate the market. So, what do you think? Does the Galaxy S25 Ultra live up to the hype, or is the S24 Ultra still holding its ground? Which color has caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive insights. This year's flagship battle just got a whole lot more exciting.